CS5 installation reference video. This is CS5 Pro main unit with sun visor, great and clear screen. The body is very textured, with good cable material. ACC power cable, connected to motorcycle battery use. Front and rear cameras. Wired controller. GPS. Front and rear tire pressure sensors. USB test cable, please use it to test the recorder's function properly before installing to motorcycle. Host bracket. Camera bracket. Light shield, block the hard light. Cable ties for fixing cables. Install the memory card of host. Unscrew the TF card slot of the base with a screwdriver. Please pay attention to the direction of the card slot to prevent incorrect installation. Put the lid back on. Then tighten the screws on both sides of the card slot. Align the host bracket with the bracket hole and tighten it with screw. Remove the rear view mirror bracket. The Z-shaped extension bracket is fixed to the rear view mirror rod with a gasket. Reinstall the rear view mirror and secure it in place. You can tighten it with a wrench. Put the 360-degree rotating bracket on the extension rod. Tighten the screws on both sides with a wrench for fixed installation. Insert the host bracket into the 360-degree bracket connection port. Put the gasket, and then tighten it with screw. The angle can be adjusted as required during the tightening process. After installing the host, you can install the light shield. After covering the light shield above the host, tighten both sides with screws. The wire controller is equipped with adhesive tape, just stick it in the appropriate position. Camera bracket installation. Install the shock-absorbing rubber ring onto the camera. Then install the circular bracket onto it. Place the gasket into the base. Fix the bracket with screw. After installing the nut, tighten and secure with a wrench. After installing the bracket, the adhesive tape can be fixed at the bottom of the bracket first. Find a suitable installation position in the motorcycle. Find the appropriate place to wipe according to the needs to avoid abnormal paste. Tear the adhesive tape and paste it. Then start arranging the cable. Connect to the host. The rear camera is also installed in the same way. Connect the black wire of the multimeter to the negative pole of the motorcycle battery and plug the red wire into the ACC power port for testing. Turn on the motorcycle and search for the ACC position of the battery. The voltage displayed on the multimeter indicates that this may be the ACC power we are looking for. Turn the key to turn off the power, the voltage becomes 0 and the location of the ACC is determined. After determining the ACC position, connect the red wire of the power cable to the positive pole of the motorcycle battery. The black wire is connected to the negative pole of the battery. Open the ACC port found. Thread the yellow wire to the port for fixation. After fixing it, restore the port. Turn the key to check if the power module lights up. If it lights up, it indicates that the power cable has been successfully installed. Then organize the power cable and paste it in the appropriate position on the motorcycle.
GPS 安装，找到合适位置进行擦拭。
Wipe the location clean, stick and fix the GPS. Select pressure on the settings page to pair tire pressure. First screw the metal gasket into the tire air outlet. Then install the front tire pressure sensor. The rear tire pressure sensor is also installed in the same way. After it is installed, the tire pressure value can be seen. After the tire pressure value can be viewed, move the metal gasket next to the tire pressure sensor, tighten and fix with a wrench, prevent loss of tire pressure sensor.